Moving on to our third story of the day, the data land grab. Now, S&P Global just struck a $1.8 billion all-cash deal to buy private markets data provider. Now, with intelligence expanding beyond the public markets amidst the boom in alternative assets. Boston Consulting Group estimates that alternative assets could total $40 trillion by the decade's end. The deal gives S&P Global, best known for the public market indices and credit ratings, access to proprietary data from 34,000 private equity groups, 19,000 real estate investors, 17,000 hedge funds, and thousands of other private capital groups. With Intelligence, which was founded in 1998, serves over 3,000 clients globally and is expected to generate roughly $130 million in revenues this year. There have been several similar deals for specialized data providers recently. Last year, S&P was picked in efforts to acquire the UK private markets data group Preqin, which BlackRock then bought for £2.5 million. With Intelligence, private equity owners rolled up series of data providers, buying private equity deal tracker SPS, real estate deal focused RealFin, and the trade publication The Deal over the past year. The sale marks a profitable exit for the majority owner, that is Motive Partners, a financial technology-focused private equity group, plus the minority investor ICG and the management. The deal is expected to close by early next year at the latest. S&P Global has made advances in serving private capital clients, recently announcing plans to launch an index tracking the top 50 private equity funds in collaboration with Fintech, New West, and developing a private markets analytics platform. In the recent years, S&P Global has struck a $44 billion deal to buy an IHS Markit, while the London Stock Exchange Group agreed to a $27 billion acquisition of Refinitiv, two marquee deals for the data providers. Now, as the private markets balloon, data becomes a new oil, and S&P Global just bought another well.